it's your girl Princess, and I'm back with a new video. So guys, today I'm going to be unboxing my dream vanity. I'm gonna be unboxing my dream vanity, y'all. I finally got a full room to myself. Hopefully if my son don't try to move back in. But anyway, yeah, y'all know I already got a vanity in my bedroom, but it's not like my dream vanity. But this time I got my dream vanity, and y'all about to see me unbox it and put it all together. So let's begin with the room. First I tried to paint it. First I painted it pink, and then I had to change the heart, and now I painted it white, and now I'm mad because I done messed it up, so now I gotta hire a painter. But the wall that the vanity is going on, which is this one, it looks okay, but the rest of the room is like, y'all will see it in the end. But anyway, we about to get this vanity up because I've been waiting too long, too many years, and yeah, I'm tired. Y'all can see me unbox it. I don't know, I want to take my hair down, then again I want to wear a bunny. I think I'm gonna take my hair down. Okay, cause yeah, we got to get ready for the vanity. So yeah, y'all, let's go. Yeah, so I just got one of the drawers out. Now I'm about to do the other one. Get this out of the way. Premium vanities already come assembled, so that's a good thing. Okay y'all, so now I'm about to open the top piece of the vanity. Display station.
Even that heavy.
Okay, let me turn around.
Inside it says impressions. Okay, here we go.
It should have been a maybe on this one. Your fingers good?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Oh, you put not.
Keep coming. Okay. I don't think so.
Hold on. I'm gonna push this side back a little bit. How about this?
Okay, y'all, so we are completely, well, we're not done, but I'm almost there. I am struggling with trying to get this mirror on. Like, you literally need like 3 people. Oh, Dream wanna say what's up, y'all.
I will take a look.
So this is not mounted, it's just kind of sitting here. But someone literally has to be up underneath the cabinet and then put the screws in. So I gotta wait until I can get like a total of 2 more people to help me. So I'm just gonna move on with the video. All I have to do now is just put the bulbs in and put the crystal. So I just have to go in and put the crystal knobs on. So let's just go ahead and do it. So guys, these are the bulbs, the Hollywood bulbs. I think this is what makes the whole vanity pop, to be honest. So let me go ahead and open these up. Now they sent me about 3 boxes of those.
You get me so high, you get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high, 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 you get me so high.
I got it, y'all. I got it. I got it. Hey, 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 hey. I got it. I got it. Okay, y'all, I'm about to light it up. I bought one of these extension cords. Well, it's not like a cord, but it's a switch.
I don't even want to later.
Okay. And let there be lights. Let there be.
You see the sea?
There.
Ow!
Now you just need a vanity to come on. Okay, y'all, so they were missing this other AC adapter, but it was inside the drawer. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to start putting the crystal knobs on. Save the best for later.
You got me so turned up. You still gotta be so high. We don't.
Okay, y'all, so this cabinet got me stressed out big time. So I'm running around looking for knobs. I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten up all the knobs that it came with, and then I'm gonna buy my own. I actually have some. I'm gonna swap them out, and I'm gonna do the bigger kind. So let's go ahead and get the rest of the knobs put on so that I can send Vanity Impressions a video of them missing, if that makes sense. And then yeah, I'm gonna swap them out and do my own thing. Okay, let's do it.
He always on my mind, don't you? Now you want some of this crap.
Okay, so these are all the knobs that they sent me. So I'm missing 1 over here and 2 over here. Clearly they are nowhere to be found. So now I have to send them an email showing them what's missing, and also there's a hairline crack in the mirror. So make sure when y'all order stuff like this, you check it the first day. So I'll be back, y'all. Let me go find me some more knobs. I think I'm gonna just take some from my closet, and then I'm gonna buy some more and replace it. And yeah, cause my vanity got to do what it need to do. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I done hooked all the knobs to it. All I gotta do now is plug up my lighting. So now we're gonna see how the RGB lights is gonna look on it. Let's go. I'm so excited. Okay, so let me prop y'all up right here. Do y'all see this? Okay, y'all, I'm in love. Look at this. So everything looks good. Now I'm gonna show y'all what all it does. Y'all see the lights already. It lights up with the LEDs, so pretty. And then it has a little clock. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna take y'all into all them details because I need to do a vanity tour. So that's gonna be next. I'm gonna do a vanity tour. But I'm gonna show y'all the Bluetooth speaker on it. So all I'm doing right now is connecting to the Bluetooth. It's connected.
Oh, wow.
Apple Music. Songs. Let's go to library, playlist. Okay, it's playing, guys. I think the lights move too when it does that. So it's playing from the speakers right here. So I'll be back with the vanity tour. I think I showed y'all everything. I think that's it. So anyway, all we gotta do now is just connect the mirror to the vanity and we are going to be done. But that's pretty much the way it's gonna look once it's connected. So y'all already got all that. So I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really hope y'all like it. Stick around for the vanity tour, and I also gotta organize the vanity. So that's gonna be a lit video. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Just bought that, let's get right. It will roll up 100 fucking nuts. All up in my mouth, now all up in yo. This nigga got pounds of it, all up in his truck. Now we both look Asian. He waving and I'm drunk.